Welcome back, guys. Today I am swatching and reviewing this gel potted kit from Model Ones. They came out with this kit and a bunch of other stuff, and this one comes with 6 awesome Halloween gels. It also comes with a sheet of stickers. These are so adorable. And it comes with a size 6 gel brush to apply your gels. It's a collapsible brush, so the top actually can go on the back and you can turn it into a full-size brush if you want to. So none of the gels come with names, they only have numbers. So I'm going to try my best to describe them in the way that I can. And this first gel, number 6, is a creamy lavender base with blue and orange glitters, hexagon-shaped glitters. And it has a nice thin consistency of just a regular gel. It doesn't feel like poly gel or builder gel to me. It's nice and thin and creamy. So it's already looking to be an opaque color on the first layer, and it moves around really nicely. I don't know, this color is really fun. Like, I've really been into the adorable Halloween colors as opposed to the scary ones. So I really like that this color is included in this set. The second color is number 5, and it's interesting because not only can this color pose as a Halloween color, it can double as a Christmas color. It has a nice jelly base to it. It's not as creamy as the first one I showed you guys. So it has a jelly base with red hex glitters, and I really do like the jelly base on it because you can actually kind of see through to the layers of glitters that are underneath, whereas on a creamy one you can kind of only see the top layer. The third color is another creamy color. It is a nice pumpkin orange. I know in some of the pictures that I'm going to have, it looks kind of washed out and muted, but it is a perfect pumpkin orange with matte black hex glitters in several different sizes. So when I say it's creamy, I mean it's more opaque. So when I do my first layer here, you can't see through to like the bottom of it, and the glitters kind of sit on the top. So you want to make sure you move them around to where you want. And the ones on the top are very noticeable, and the ones on the bottom kind of get like washed out because of the creaminess. This fourth color is another adorable glitter. It's like a neon pinky orange with purple glitters in there. There's other colors, but I can't really like pick up the shade to tell you what they are, but it is really pretty. And this is another one of the translucent colors. So this actual set comes with 2 creamy and 4 jelly-like colors. And like I said earlier, I really do like the jelly ones because you can really just kind of see through it into the lower layers to see all the dimension. This 5th one took me by surprise. I don't know if I would consider it a Halloween color, but I absolutely do love it. It has a jelly blue base with kind of like neon bright green glitters in it. And like I said before, I just love these jellies. They're just so freaking cute. I don't know what I would wear this with to make it into a Halloween style mani, but I can see this going into a Christmas manicure for sure. So here it is, all nice and jellied and gorgeous. I love it. It's one of my favorites. And say hello to the last color in this collection. It is number 1, and it is a purple. Go figure. I think this one's going to be a fan favorite, and it's another jelly color. So it comes with a purple base, which is purple is like a Halloween staple. But this one has not only hex glitters in it, it also has some gorgeous stars. I just love any color with stars in it for some reason. It just stands out. It's so unique. It's so gorgeous. And yeah, I think this one's going to be a definite favorite. Now that you've seen all the gels, let me know which one is your favorite. The lineup here from left to right is 1 through 6. I did it backwards in my video from 6 all the way to 1, but here you can see all the colors under my LED light in my nail room. And here they are just against a black background. I really love these. They are so fun. But also, look at the fun surprise that they come with. They glow in the dark. 2 of the colors aren't as vibrant as the other 4, but nonetheless, they are so fun. And I don't know, just like glow in the dark, Halloween. I mean, it's fun. Who doesn't love glow in the dark, huh? Anyways, Model Ones has a whole Halloween section on their website right now. So if you're interested in dip powder, polygel, acrylic, other items for Halloween, go check them out. They're also having a sale on a lot of their stuff, so you don't want to miss that. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which color was your favorite.